Most metal cutting bandsaws you find on the market are underpowered toys that vibrate themselves to pieces during the first serious project. A bad choice here means wasted steel and hours of ruined progress. Are you struggling to find a reliable machine that gives you clean cuts every single time? Fortunately, we have sifted through the noise to find the top performers for your workshop. Today, I'm going to be going over the best metal cutting bandsaw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the MAXXT 2-in-1 Band Saw. This versatile cutting tool is designed primarily for professionals who demand extreme precision during their metal fabrication and workshop projects. When you first unpack the unit, you will immediately notice the impressive professional build quality meant for intensive daily labor. The heavy-duty cast aluminum base provides exceptional stability, which helps prevent unwanted vibrations while you are cutting through thick steel. It measures exactly 25 inches in length, ensuring it fits easily on most standard workbenches without occupying too much space. The industrial design emphasizes a rugged aesthetic that can withstand harsh environments found in typical garages or busy commercial metal shops. This machine features a powerful motor that delivers a variable blade speed reaching up to 400 feet per minute. You can easily adjust the cutting angle up to 60 degrees to ensure perfect miters for your complex metal projects. The integrated LED work light illuminates your workspace so you can see your scribe lines clearly during deep evening projects. Performance testing shows this saw cuts through stainless steel bars with smooth precision that minimizes the need for secondary grinding work. The internal cooling system keeps the blade temperature stable even when you are working on massive batches of metal pipes. It delivers much cleaner cut finishes compared to the basic Wen portable band saw that struggles with thicker stock materials. The pros include precision cutting, sturdy construction, and versatile angles. The cons include substantial weight and high initial costs. This reliable tool stands out as a top choice for serious craftsmen who prioritize long-term durability over cheap prices. At number 4, we have the JET HVBS-56. This impressive horizontal bandsaw is designed specifically for professional metalworkers who demand high precision in their demanding shop environments. Its robust cast iron construction ensures that the machine remains incredibly stable even when handling very heavy metal stock. The massive base provides a solid foundation that effectively absorbs all vibrations during the most intense metal cutting operations. It features a versatile 3-speed gearbox which allows users to select the perfect cutting pace for various metals. The integrated coolant system works tirelessly to keep the blade temperature low for significantly longer tool life over time. With a powerful half-horsepower motor, this unit can easily slice through thick steel bars with remarkable speed and efficiency. The quick-acting vise mechanism makes swapping out materials between cuts a very fast and incredibly simple user experience. During our testing phase, the precision of the miter cuts remained perfectly consistent across every single piece we tested. This reliable machine delivers smooth edges that require almost no additional filing after the initial cut is finally finished. It operates much quieter than the Grizzly G0620 bandsaw while maintaining a similar level of high output cutting power. The pros include sturdy build, versatile speeds, and efficient motor. The cons include heavy weight and limited portability. If you are looking for professional equipment that will last for decades, this bandsaw is a fantastic long-term investment. At number 3, we have the JET HVBS-712D. This impressive machine caters to professional metalworkers who demand precision and reliability for their everyday fabrication and shop tasks. Users will immediately notice that this bandsaw represents a significant upgrade for any serious home or commercial metalworking workspace. The massive cast iron head and bed assembly provide an incredibly stable foundation that minimizes unwanted vibrations during difficult cutting. With a total weight of 320 pounds, this machine maintains its position firmly on the shop floor. It features a refined 4-speed gearbox that allows operators to easily adjust blade velocity for various material thicknesses. The integrated coolant system ensures that the blade remains at an optimal temperature even during long and heavy cutting operations. Its hydraulic downfeed control allows for a consistent and smooth cutting rate without requiring any manual pressure from the operator. The quick-acting vise system securely holds workpieces in place while preventing any slippage or misalignment during the cutting process. Precision ball-bearing blade guides ensure that the blade path remains perfectly vertical for clean and accurate cuts every time. In testing, this unit easily sliced through 3-inch thick steel tubing without any signs of struggle or blade wandering. The machine operates with significantly lower noise levels than the smaller and less refined Grizzly G0620. The pros include heavy cast construction, precise blade guides, and reliable coolant system. The cons include high initial cost and difficult assembly requirements. At number 2, we have the KAKA Industrial BS-7. This industrial horizontal bandsaw serves as an essential tool for professional fabrication shops requiring precise and reliable metal cutting. The sturdy cast iron base provides exceptional stability during heavy-duty operations, ensuring vibrations stay minimal while you are working hard. Users will appreciate the robust construction designed to handle demanding shop environments where durability and consistent output remain the top priorities. It offers a generous capacity of 7 by 12 inches for rectangular stock, providing plenty of room for various steel profiles. The integrated hydraulic feed system allows for smooth and controlled cutting, significantly enhancing the overall safety and accuracy of your cuts. With its powerful 1.5 horsepower single-phase motor, this machine easily powers through tough metals without stalling or overheating. You can quickly adjust the angle from 0 to 45 degrees for complex miter cuts on structural tubing or pipe projects. 4 adjustable blade speeds ranging from 27 to 78 meters per minute ensure you have the perfect setting for every metal. The built-in coolant system keeps your blade temperature low and extends its lifespan during long sessions of continuous workshop production. Automatic shut-off functionality adds another layer of efficiency by stopping the blade immediately once the cutting process is fully finished. Compared to the smaller benchtop models available today, this machine offers superior torque and structural rigidity for handling large steel beams. The pros include large cutting capacity, variable blade speeds, and integrated coolant system. The cons include heavy unit weight and required freight delivery. At number 1, we have the MAXXT Band Saw. This impressive power tool is specifically designed for professional fabricators and serious hobbyists who demand high levels of precision cutting. Users will immediately notice the intuitive control interface, which allows for quick setup right out of the sturdy shipping box. Its robust construction utilizes a heavy-duty cast aluminum frame that provides maximum stability during even the most intense sawing operations. The compact design occupies a footprint of 24 by 12 inches, ensuring it fits easily onto crowded small workshop benches. Featuring a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor, this machine delivers consistent torque for effortless cutting through thick steel metal stock. It includes an integrated variable speed dial that lets operators adjust blade speed between 60 and 400 feet per minute. The adjustable blade guide system minimizes vibration and helps prevent the blade from wandering when making very precise angled cuts. Equipped with a bright LED work light, the device illuminates the entire cutting area for superior visibility in dim environments. Performance tests show the blade tracks perfectly straight every time, even when applying significant pressure against tough industrial-grade steel. The cooling system keeps the blade temperature low during extended cutting sessions, which drastically improves the lifespan of your expensive blades. This unit outperforms the WEN variable speed model because it maintains higher torque levels throughout its entire range of operation. The pros include extreme precision, durable build, and integrated lighting. The cons include heavy weight and steep learning curve. Overall, this machine offers exceptional value for any shop looking to upgrade their metal fabrication capabilities with a reliable tool.